we need to get away from this concept of asking ourselves, should I get married or not? Because that is going to set you back 100 steps. Because when you think that way, you're basically telling yourself the harm of getting married outweighs the benefit. And it's not what our deen teaches us. Our deen doesn't teach us to not get married. Rather, our deen teaches us there is tremendous reward in getting married in this world and the next. It's a sunnah of the prophets overall. And Islam teaches us that our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he actually said in his own words that marriage is from my sunnah, and whoever turns away from my sunnah is not from me. Whoever turns away from following my way is not on that path that I've come to teach you. And also through the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's own life and what he experienced with his own spouses, his own wives, Islam doesn't just give us this theory like, get married. Islam gives us real life examples of what a successful marriage looks like. So we know the standard, we know what's ideal, we know what we should be aiming for when we look at the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's marriages, when we look at how the wives acted and how he acted. And so if the best of mankind is doing something, shouldn't we be avid to do that? Sometimes the test really comes in battling that fear. Is it really true that your marriage, you sitting in that seat, is it really true that your marriage is not going to work out? And how can you really know if you don't actually give it the chance? If you don't actually explore this concept, this idea of what marriage is about?